Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preserving what matters. Save forms, export bookmarks, or copy open URLs so nothing is lost. Once done, close unneeded tabs to reduce memory load and quit Safari normally. If it won't quit, use Force Quit from the Apple menu. Make sure you note any credentials or session state because restarting clears volatile data. This first sweep reduces complexity and prevents data loss when you proceed to deeper troubleshooting steps. Next, clear history and website data to remove corrupt caches that often cause hangs and restart Safari to test. If problems persist, disable extensions one by one. Some add-ons conflict with pages or scripts. Also check for Safari or Mac OS updates in the App Store. Updates fix bugs and improve stability. Once you apply an update, restart the Mac to ensure system-level fixes load. These middle steps eliminate software causes. Relaunch Safari and restore your Windows. Use the History menu or reopen recent tabs to bring back work. Then test key sites, logins, and streaming to confirm everything runs smoothly. If instability continues, restart the Mac in safe mode or create a new user account to determine whether the issue is system-wide or user-specific. One key troubleshooting tip. If crashes persist after these steps, reset Safari's preferences and remove ~library/Safari files before reinstalling or seeking Apple support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.